What if stability meant freedom? Today, we're testing 35 Amazon electric trikes, from grocery-ready seniors cruisers to a dual motor beast that hauls 500 pounds and folds into a hatchback. See real product videos, key specs, and which ride transforms your mobility, fun, and range. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Admotor Grand Tan Turbo Mid-Drive Electric Trike. Grand Tan Turbo steps up stability and hill climbing with a 1000 watts mid-drive motor, throwing serious torque ideal when hauling cargo or helping a rider with limited leg strength. Up to 20 miles per hour, Class 2 performance and long-range 48 volts 20 ampere hours battery mean fewer charge stops. Rear differential improves cornering, and the step-through frame plus swept bars keep mounting easy and posture relaxed. Great for seniors or mobility-focused riders. Maxfoot MF30 Fat Tire Electric Trike. MF30 brings a 750 watts rear drive motor and UL certified 48 volts 20 ampere hours battery, delivering up to about 85 miles in pedal assist, with 32 to 42 miles pure electric solid endurance for errands or day trips. Fat 20-inch by 4-inch tires plus suspension fork soak up cracked paths, while the rear differential and hydraulic dual disc braking boost control when loaded. Low step-through frame and large baskets make this a utility champ for groceries, pets, or beach gear. Imojo Caddy Pro Fat Tire Electric Tricycle. Caddy Pro's 500 watts brushless Bafang motor tops out around 20 miles per hour, fast enough for town riding while staying street-friendly. Hydraulic disc brakes, 7-speed drivetrain, and 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires give traction and stopping power across pavement, gravel, or boardwalks. Oversized rear cargo bin plus front basket haul groceries or a small pet. Designed to balance power, reliability, and legal speed limits, it's a practical pick for riders who want comfort in hauling without going overboard on wattage. Admotor CityTree E310 Folding Electric Trike. CityTree E310 folds to fit SUVs yet delivers a 750 watts rear motor, 48 volts 20 ampere hours pack, and up to 90 miles range in low pedal assist, serious distance for commuters or snowbirds. Top speed about 20 miles per hour keeps it Class 2 friendly. UL 2849 certification, included rear differential, and parking brake raise safety confidence. With cargo-ready baskets and an easy step-through, it's built for city errands, RV travel, and riders wanting stability without giving up portability. Mofoto Electric Tricycle 20-inch folding 500 watts. This 20-inch folding 3-wheel from Mofoto packs a 48 volts 500 watts motor and removable battery into an aluminum frame that collapses for car trunk transport. Rear basket space makes grocery stops painless. Just fold, load, and roll inside. Multiple assist levels let you dial effort, while the low step height helps riders with limited mobility. A budget-friendly way to test e-trike life without losing cargo utility or portability. Admotor Trikatan M330 Fat Tire Electric Trike. Trikatan M330 brings a 750 watts rear motor, 48 volts 20 ampere hours pack, an advertised 85-mile pedal assist range, impressive for a cargo class trike. Parking brake, rear differential, and fat tires steady the ride when loaded to its high capacity. Designed for seniors, campers, and farmers who want torque, grip, and room for supplies without juggling balance on two wheels. A proven workhorse in Admotor's lineup. DW Migi 750 watts Fat Tire Electric Trike. W Migi's Fat Tire Trike mounts a 750 watts motor and large 48 volts 18.2 ampere hours removable lithium battery for extended rides. Spec sheets note ranges up to 45 miles depending on assist. 20-inch by 4-inch tires plus front and rear baskets make it utility ready on sand paths, campgrounds, or farmers markets. 7-speed drivetrain helps when pedaling unassisted, and step-through geometry eases mounting for shorter or mobility-limited riders. A versatile all-terrain hauler. Viribus Folding Electric Trike 16-inch 2-seat. Compact but clever. This 16-inch Viribus folder includes a rear perch rated for a small passenger or extra bags. A 350 watts motor with 48 volts 10.4 ampere hours battery supports neighborhood errands. The integrated differential helps both rear wheels track when turning tight. Foldable frame stows in hatchbacks, making it RV trip friendly. A smart pick for couples sharing short hops or apartment dwellers needing small footprint mobility. Narek 750 watts Folding Fat Tire Electric Trike. Trikes folding trike unleashes a 750 watts motor, peaks 1,350 watts, for confident starts carrying cargo. Hydraulic brakes with triple rotors upgrade stopping power over basic mechanical sets, and 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires keep traction on sand, grass, or snow berms. Aluminum step-through frame folds for transport, load up the basket and head to camp or market. Stable turning comes from a rear differential tuned for control under load. Sumi 20-inch folding electric trike step-through. Sumi's 20-inch folder targets easy transport and everyday comfort. A step-through chassis, 3 ride modes, and top speed around 15.5 miles per hour suit relaxed urban loops and park paths. Removable battery simplifies indoor charging. Rear cargo lets you haul light groceries. For riders prioritizing maneuverability over raw wattage, this trike keeps things manageable, portable, and budget-friendly. Perfect starter e-trike for city errands. G-Max 20-inch fat tire electric trike. G-Max outfits this UL-certified 20-inch by 4-inch fat tire trike with a 36 volts 13 ampere-hours lithium battery and peak 500 watts, drive enough for neighborhood hills without overwhelming new riders. Foldable upgrades on some listings ease storage. Large baskets front and rear handle groceries or pet carriers. A good balance of safety certification, manageable power, and utility for budget-minded shoppers. Clife Triker Peak 750 watts folding electric trike. Clife Triker brings a step-through folding frame, removable 748 watt-hours battery, and peak 750 watts brushless motor for punchy starts on slopes. Color LCD shows speed, assist, and battery at a glance. Size 20-inch by 3-inch tires favor nimble urban handling while still smoothing cracks. If you want a compact commuter you can stash indoors, yet still get real e-assist range, this is a smart pick. Crowsight Fat Tire Electric Tricycle 650 watts. Crowsight's folding fat tire trike tackles mixed conditions. Its 20-inch by 4-inch anti-puncture snow tires and shock-absorbing frame are marketed for sand, gravel, mud, even ice. Multiple modes plus 7-speed gearing keep you rolling when batteries dip. Upgraded color LCD reports speed, mileage, and charge. With a stated top near 22 miles per hour and long-range pack options, it's an all-season hauler that still folds to fit an SUV. Mooncool Folding Electric, trike 500 watts to 750 watts. Mooncool's aluminum 3-wheel folder offers 48 volts power and 500 watts or boosted 750 watts configs and removable battery charging. Fold and go convenience plus included basket bags make it RV, marina, or apartment friendly. Designed for adults who want electric assist but need compact storage, it supports multi-mode riding and comes from a brand known for approachable step-through trikes. A great travel companion for campground loops and grocery runs. Mooncool Fat Tire Electric Trike, 48 volts 500 watts. When terrain gets loose, Mooncool's 20-inch by 4-inch fat tire version adds grip and rollover comfort. A 48 volts 500 watts motorized drive pairs with a removable battery and 7-speed transmission so you can pedal when you want, throttle when you don't. Aluminum frame keeps weight reasonable. Rear basket hauls camp gear or groceries. A confidence-boosting upgrade for riders who want more float than skinny tire folders deliver. Topmate ES31 Folding Electric Tricycle, ultra-portable 3-wheel travel trike folds fast, weighs light, and runs a 270 watts hub motor with 3 selectable speeds for indoor events, campuses, or short urban links. Built-in lithium battery charges in roughly 3 to 4.5 hours and returns up to 15 to 18 miles, so it's ready for quick errands or last-mile transit. Reverse function helps in tight hallways. A seated or stand-up ride adds flexibility. DW Amagi Step-Through Electric Trike 350 watts. Accessible step-through frame plus 24-inch wheels make this WMAG a confidence booster for new or mobility-limited riders. A 350 watts front hub motor and 36 volts 13 ampere hours removable battery deliver up to 25 miles throttle or 40 miles pedal assist. Plenty for town loops. Shimano 7-speed drivetrain and full fenders support everyday practicality, while the large rear basket hauls groceries. Budget entry into e-triking that still brings real utility range. Viribus Electric Tricycle 24-inch by 26-inch, 350 watts removable battery. Viribus scales to rider height with 24-inch or 26-inch wheel options and a 350 watts, peak 700 watts, front hub motor that tops 15.5 miles per hour, friendly for neighborhood speed limits. The 468 watt-hours removable battery simplifies indoor charging. Shimano 7-speed gears help when climbing or conserving power. Oversized rear basket means legit errand duty, and UL-listed pack options add safety peace of mind. A versatile all-ages commuter trike. Metone Breeze Pro Folding Electric Trike 1,200 watts. Metone's Breeze Pro blends folding portability with muscle. A 1,200 watts rear motor, torque sensor assist, and fat 18-inch by 4-inch tires for cushy traction. Claimed up to 100-mile capability plus reverse and parking brake functions make campground maneuvering easy. High torsional rigidity frame targets heavier riders and cargo without wobble. A premium travel trike when you want range, power, and compact storage in an RV bay. Metone Tour Dual Motor Electric Trike 2,400 watts, all-wheel drive beast, dual 1,200 watts motors, 2,400 watts total, and dual batteries push torque and traction for hills, gravel, and snow lots. Full suspension smooths load bumps, rear differential, reverse, and parking brakes support controlled handling. Built for long-range adventure riders hauling gear or passengers who need brute power plus stability in a 3-wheel format. Electric Tricycle 960 watts peak fat tire, Lava. Marketed as the Lava Trike, this cargo-ready 3-wheeler runs a 750 watts brushless rear hub to carry loads and still climb, max 25 miles per hour, Class 3 fun on private property, toned-down assist for relaxed cruising. Package typically bundles ride kit extras, phone holder, lock, cover, mirrors, helping you kid out without add-on shopping. Fat folding chassis targets mixed terrain from campground gravel to winter slush. Puckapuppy Husky 750 watts electric tricycle. Husky is a pickup class fat tire cargo trike, 750 watts rear motor, 48 volts 18 ampere hours cell pack, and advertised 60-mile capability under assist. Rated up to 500 pounds load with rear differential for planted turns. Designed for fishing gear, dog carriers, or beach coolers. Real utility beyond casual spins. Folding design eases storage. Hydraulic brakes rein in the weight. Electric Trike 750 watts motor pickup class. Heavy-duty aluminum chassis, rated 500 pounds capacity, earns its pickup tag. A 750 watts rear motor, advertised 18 ampere hours pack variant. Moves cargo without sweating hills. 20-inch fat tires add float on grass, sand, or snowy driveways. Oversized rear basket gives warehouse or market hauling power, and multi-mode assist lets you save battery when lightly loaded. A workhorse for deliveries or large item shopping. Electric Tricycle Foldable e-bike. 3-seat foldable carbon steel frame supports up to 440 pounds, turning school runs or family park laps into one trip. A 400 watts motor and 48 volts pack cruise 18 miles per hour. Rear spring suspension and puncture-resistant tires tame sidewalk gaps. Charges in about 5 to 6 hours, so overnight's reset range. Versatile multi-rider hauler when you need extra seating without a full cargo van bike. Fat Tire Electric Tricycle FT 900X senior-friendly big-footed off-road trike built around oversized tires for snow, sand, or rutted gravel approaches. Designed with seniors in mind, stable stance, step-friendly access, and electric assist to reduce joint strain. Load the rear tray for hunting gear or groceries. 3 wheels keep weight balanced when stopped. A niche pick when you ride in tough surfaces most bikes avoid. Ecotric Fat Tire Electric Tricycle. Ecotric's Fat Tire Cargo Trike pairs a 750 watts motor with a jumbo 48 volts 22.4 ampere hours removable pack for long errand loops. 7-speed gearing helps pedal without assist. Rear basket swallows shopping loads. Wide tires add float and stability on soft paths, and step-through access supports riders with limited flexibility. A solid long-range hauler from an established e-mobility brand. Fat Tire Electric Trike 960 watts. Rear motor differential. Rear-mounted 750 watts motor surges to 960 watts peak, 90 Newton meters torque for cargo starts. Paired with 48 volts, 648 watt-hours, removable battery targeting 55-mile range at low assist. 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires and rear differential keep the loaded trike upright in ruts or sand. If you haul gear but still want manageable size, this is a punchy mid-tier option. 500 watts motor, adult electric trike mountain 20-inch. Budget mountain-style 3-wheeler, 500 watts hub drive, 48 volts 10 ampere hours removable battery, and 20-inch fat tires for parks, beaches, or snow lots. 7-speed drivetrain lets you pedal home if you outrun the pack. Steel frame durability at a lower price point. Rear basket light cargo ready. Good starter trike for experimenting with off-pavement riding without premium spend. Mototech Electric Mobility Trike 48 volts, 750 watts. Stand or sit personal transporter built for warehouses, events, or large campuses. A 750 watts front wheel hub motor delivers brisk acceleration. Removable seat converts between scooter and stand-up platform. Lithium power improves charge cycles over sealed lead-acid units, and three-wheel stance gives low-speed stability indoors. A practical mobility hauler when distance beats walking, but you need compact maneuvering. Mototech electric trike, 48 volts, 500 watts. Classic Mototech three-wheel transporter hits up to 22 miles per hour and 20-plus mile range on full charge. Handy for security patrols, trade shows, warehouse picking, or campus cruising. 16-inch pneumatic front twin 9-inch rear tires roll smooth. Seat removes for stand-up mode. Affordable powered mobility where golf carts are overkill. Mototech folding mobility electric trike 48 volts 700 watts dual. Twin rear hub motors supply extra torque for inclines and heavier riders. Foldable chassis reduces storage footprint in RVs or tight garages. Designed as a mobility upgrade that turns sharply in confined spaces, it's useful for event staff or travelers needing powered movement beyond parking lots. Lithium power keeps weight lower versus SLA packs. Super handy Passport three-wheel foldable mobility scooter. Airline-friendly folding scooter includes 2 removable lithium packs and about 13-mile range. Great for airports, cruises, or theme parks. Weighs roughly 35 pounds assembled and folds to a compact footprint for car trunks. Rated 275-pound capacity and travel-safe electrical design brought in who can ride. A freedom machine for travelers needing seated mobility with quick pack-down. Iahora M2 2000 watts electric tricycle for adults and seniors. Street-style sit-down trike. 2000 watts rear drive and 60 volts, 30 ampere hours battery hit about 26 miles per hour and sustain long loops. Front and rear disc brakes rein in the weight. Integrated storage box and wide seat target scooter replacement duty for seniors wanting three-wheel stability without giving up speed. Excellent for gated communities or campus cruising where balance is a concern. Luxavello 500 watts electric tricycle for adults, 24-inch 7-speed. Compact commuter trike couples a 500 watts motor with a 48 volts 13 amp-hour removable battery and 7-speed drivetrain for mixed pedaling and assist. Hydraulic disc brakes plus multi-point suspension, fork plus frame plus seat post, aim to smooth city potholes. Aluminum alloy build keeps corrosion down, mid-size 24-inch wheels balance stability and turning. Good upgrade if you outgrow entry 350 watts trikes but don't need fat tire bulk. Emojo Bull Low Step Passenger Electric Trike. Low 8.5 inches step height plus integrated passenger seat make Bull a mobility-friendly hauler for seniors or caregivers. 500 watts motor, 7-speed gearing, and differential rear axle keep start smooth even loaded. Long-range spec, listing sight up to 100 miles assist under ideal conditions, supports day trips, while fenders and lighting raise safety, a community runabout that carries you and a friend comfortably. And that's our ride through 35 electric trikes you can actually watch, compare, and buy on Amazon. Whether you want hill-crushing power, fold-and-go convenience, or rock-solid stability for seniors, I hope you spotted the one. Tell me which trike fits your life and why in the comments below. I read them all. If this helped, please hit like. Subscribe for more smart gear roundups and share it with someone who needs easier wheels.